Okay, guys, hey, what's up? Thanks for tuning in with us. I wanted to share with you like the three greatest benefits, side effects of living keto that I was completely not expecting. I mean, they totally took me by surprise, and they were great surprises. So I want to share those with you here today because you're just going to be the best version of yourself ever. Okay, so the first one that I noticed after I started living keto was my hair. Prior to being on keto, my hair was just gray and coarse, and it wouldn't retain any moisture. I was trying every kind of topical thing, shampoo, conditioner, everything you can think of, coconut oil. I was doing all these different things trying to get my hair, in shape and where it would look better and feel better. And just nothing was working. And then I was losing tons of it. I mean, I was actually clogging our bathroom drain at my house because I had so much hair falling out. It was coming out in my brush, it was coming out in the shower, it was coming out all over the bathroom floor. I mean, I know that's gross, but it was just falling out everywhere. And it was frizzy and just, I just chalked it up to, well, I'm getting older. Maybe this is just, how aging is. I don't know. And then when I started living keto, I started noticing something almost just instantly. It was so profound to me, but my hair started changing quickly. It had stopped growing, and all of a sudden I could tell it was growing again. The texture of it changed, the bounce, the vitality of it, everything about it began to change, and I was completely blown away. I was like, what is going on here? And so I got super excited, and I'm gonna put up the before and after photos and really look at those because they are literally taken 5 weeks apart. I was on keto for 5 weeks, and you're gonna see that before and after, and that's how quickly it happened. After 5 weeks of living the keto lifestyle, my hair completely changed, and you'll see that in the photos when we put those up. The second thing that I want to talk to you about is my skin. My skin completely changed. In the first photo, it's very yellow. That photo was taken outside, and so there's no weird light tricks or anything like that. My skin was yellow. It was it was just not a good color. It didn't have any youthfulness to it. The skin tone wasn't even. My eyelids were starting to droop over my eyes. I mean, really look at those photos. It's gonna blow you away. Fine lines and wrinkles started to go away. There was more moisture in my skin. I was just, again, amazed. I mean, here was yet another great benefit of living keto. I was just like, wow, I wasn't even expecting to get these kind of results. But I guess it makes sense because when you're putting all the vitamins and nutrients and minerals and all that good stuff into your body, it starts to manifest outwardly. So get super excited about this because you're gonna have great hair and great skin. I mean, who doesn't want that? It's like the best beauty thing ever to just eat good and feel good. And so the third thing that I noticed was my fingernails. Now, if you know me, my fingernails my whole entire life have I just kind of chalked it up to genetics. Well, I just don't have good nails. And they would peel, they would split, they would break, they were very soft. I never could get much length on them because they were constantly just peeling off. And it didn't really matter what I did. And so my choices were either fake nails or just leave them short, no polish, and let them be what they are. And keto has totally changed that. They are strong. They are growing almost faster than I can keep up with. I like to have short nails just because I have an active lifestyle. So now I have to go in and actually have them cut down because they're so strong and they're growing so fast. And so I'm just amazed by these three things. So these are three things: great skin, hair, and nails, that you get to look forward to as a result of eating the keto diet and living the ketogenic lifestyle. And I was super excited. Who doesn't want great hair, great nails, and great skin? I mean, what a surprise. So that's something for you to look forward to. Get excited about your life. Live your best life ever. You're gonna love the results. If you're on the fence about this, I would just invite you to try it for 30 days and just see if you don't notice a big difference. Because again, those pictures are literally 5 weeks apart. And so if you try this for 30 days, you're going to be able to notice a big difference in your body and your results also. So there's also 2 products that I'm going to share with you that I feel like really kind of helped me along and helped me get faster results. And I'm going to share those with you here in just a minute because I want you to have that little edge too. And I feel like that they really helped. So I am going to tell you all about those here in just a minute. Okay, hi guys, I'm back. I'm gonna show you those 2 products that I feel like kind of sped along the aspects of the hair, skin, and nails that I was talking to you about earlier. So the first one is Lily of the Valley aloe vera. This is literally like 99.9% pure cold pressed aloe vera. I do get the one that is kind of in the gel form. This is not going to be like some gel that you get at Walmart or that you put on a sunburn. This is the pure stuff and you can actually ingest it. I would actually drink like 2 good sized gulps of it in the morning and still do. Don't drink too much of it. It will send you to the bathroom. So I'm just going to put that little side note in there. But if you drink about 2 gulps of it, internally, this does incredible things for the body. You can research that on your own. It has so many amazing properties to it that really help and aid the body and the skin especially. And then I also take this. I'm going to show you kind of the consistency of it. It's kind of a little bit of like a gel, but it's clear and easy to work with. And then you can also rub this on your face. It's cool, it's refreshing, just it dries quickly. You can put it on at night, sleep with it, rinse it off in the morning. You can put it on your hands, anywhere that you want to get kind of that tightening effect. It's excellent around your eyes and fine lines and wrinkles. Again, this is the Lily of the Desert inner fillet. And it is the cold pressed one. Now I get this at Sprouts, which is a market that we have right here up the street. Both of the products I'm going to show you today are under $9.99. I think one of them was $4.99. So these are super affordable and they work amazing. So run out and get this. This is actually extremely good and beneficial for internal and external use. And you can research all the other things that it does. Okay guys, and the second one that I want to show to you is castor oil. Now you may remember your grandmother talking about this. This has been around forever. I never really honestly knew what it was for, and a friend was telling me about it. And when I put it into daily practice to use it, I was absolutely astounded at the benefits. So I buy the Heritage store brand. It's hexane free. And literally, if you look on the ingredients, it's cold pressed pure castor oil. So this is what you want to look for. This is amazing stuff. I literally just use like this much in my hand, and I put this around my eyes, on my upper lip, around my chin, anywhere where those little fine lines might start appearing on your face. It'll look a little greasy for about maybe like 30 minutes, but it soaks in really well, and nobody will know that you have it on. And then you can also apply it at night, and you can sleep with this on as well, and then just wash it off in the morning when you take your shower. So both of these products made an amazing difference that I noticed right away. So I wanted to share those with you because these, on top of just all the benefits of eating keto and getting the proper nutrition going on inside, these were kind of my external ones. And then of course I did take this internally. But gosh, the beauty industry is what, $1 billion industry. And I mean, these things are both under $9.99 and they work amazing. And I think you'll love the results if you put these into your daily routine. So good luck guys. If you like what we're doing here on our channel, don't forget to hit the like button, drop us a comment, let us know what you're doing, what products you're using that are working for you. Hit the subscribe button and turn on those notifications so you don't miss what we're doing and what we have coming up next. Get out there, live well, and thanks for watching.